RimSling has always been focused on creating products that make rigging and recovery situations easier and safer for all. With safety as the #1 concern for users, all RimSling products meet certain specifications and are certified under DNV and ABS. I'm Elle Rottinghouse. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, I'm going to share with you how each of the RimSling products are innovative in their own way. RimSling's Sliced Eye synthetic recovery slings deliver a high working load limit and slim design that is superior to yesterday's traditional lifting, rigging, and recovery options. A special braided guard at the center of the sling and an external cordura sleeve add extra layers of protection, especially when used as a basket. The pliable material conforms to most shapes and won't scratch or damage surfaces like chains often do. Available in 4 different diameters, a 6-inch eye is located at either end. These flexible eyes are able to collapse and be pushed through small holes, like those on car and truck rims, for example. RimSling's Spliced Eye synthetic shipping container slings are specifically designed to fit into a seek hands corner pocket. This compact sling can be used for lifting or pulling, and it features a dipped, rubberized sliding guard that can be adjusted as needed to prevent unnecessary wear. Its synthetic material makes this sling a great alternative to foundry hooks, which can be tip-loaded or bind when changing lifting or pulling angles. RimSling's synthetic winch line is made from 12 strands of high-strength HDPE fibers in a single torque-free braid, offering virtually 0 cord memory, resulting in fewer tangles and less bird nesting on the spool. The rope is also lightweight and won't fray like steel lines, reducing the chance for fatigue and cuts to the operator. Even if the strands are severed, a synthetic winch line will fall to the ground rather than snapping aggressively back towards the spool. Featuring a self-locking hook, the synthetic winch line comes in 3 different diameters with extensions available for purchase as well. RimSling Extreme and Flex synthetic soft shackles are the perfect replacement of traditional metal shackles because they won't scratch or damage surfaces of contact and are significantly lighter in weight. The opening of the braided loop is big enough to slip the knot through and then secures the connection under tension. These don't require any extra tools or time spent inserting and tightening a pin. This extreme synthetic soft shackle has a special braided guard at the center that provides an extended life when used as a basket, where the Flex synthetic soft shackle allows for more flexibility to fit into tighter spaces. RimSling's Spliced Eye Ultimate Kinetic Recovery Rope stretches up to 20% under nominal load and 30% under max strength rating. These ropes take that stretch and smoothly transfer the kinetic energy from the pulling vehicle to the stuck vehicle. Each end of the Ultimate Kinetic Recovery Rope has special hard-dipped eyes that are wear and abrasion resistant and hold up against any job. Incredibly strong yet soft and flexible, RimSling products offer convenience and safety for the user in a variety of applications. They were originally designed for the towing and recovery industry, but these durable lifting slings have proven their worth in other industries like maritime, agriculture, manufacturing, and over-the-road material handling as well. Discover how your operation can benefit from the versatile RimSling today.